Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out a pre-owned 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat FX4 edition. The exterior color is a shadow black, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter V6 Ecoboost engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. And at the front we have our LED headlights as well as our LED daytime running lights. And down below we have our 2 fog lights as well as our 2 tow hooks. At the side we have our 18-inch chrome wheels wrapped in Goodyear tires. We also have our retractable running boards as well as our chrome mirror caps and our chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted rear glass in the rear. Now this Lariat also comes with our blind spot information system detection. At the rear, we have our reverse sensors as well as our sensors in our LED tail lights. We also have our trailer and tow package, which includes a 4 and 7 pin connection as well as a spare tire underneath the truck. We have our automatic lift down tailgate as well as our LED lighting and tie-down hooks in the box. At the rear window we have an embedded defroster as well as a power sliding feature. At the interior we have many driver-friendly features including door storage, power locks, 3 memory seating positions, as well as power windows, power adjustable mirrors, and foldable. At the interior, everyone can enjoy a nice black leather, and the driver and passenger are able to enjoy a 10-way fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. Now at our center face we have our automatic headlamp dial as well as our pedal adjustment, and we have our LED lighting underneath the both left and right side mirror. At the steering wheel we have our informational system trackpad, which displays on our dash cluster as well as our cruise control settings. And over to the right, we have our entertainment and media controls as well as hands-free calling. As we look up, we have our auto-dimming rear view mirror as well as our cabin lights, places for our sunglasses, and a dual panel moonroof. As we hop in, we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio, climate control, phone calling, and hands-free navigation. This Lariat also comes with a heated steering wheel. And down below we have our controls for our Sync 3 system, and to the right we have our 12-volt adapter as well as our AC outlet. And to the left we have our 4-wheel drive engagement, and down below we have our integrated trailer braking system. Down to the right we have our dual climate control area, which allows for cabin air conditioning, heating, as well as driver and passenger heated seats and air conditioning seats. And down below in our cubby hold we have our 12-volt adapter as well as a dual smart charging USB ports. Over at our console shift we have our console shifter, which allows us to have a manual mode which we can select through 6 different gears. And at the center console we have tons of storage and convenience with 2 more cup holders in the rear. At the rear, passengers can enjoy door storage, ambient lighting, as well as power windows. And we have more storage in the rear of the driver and in the rear of the passenger seat. With a 60/40 bench seating, we have tons of legroom as well as headspace for 3 passengers to sit comfortably. We have our folding down dual cup holder armrest, and in the rear of the center console we have our AC outlet adapter as well as 2 heated seats for each passenger and a 12-volt adapter. If you guys have any more questions about this pre-owned F-150, feel free to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to answering any questions that you may have, and we'd like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.